thought the wind was waiting somewhere underneath those lights. You thought the next spin would fix it, make everything feel right. But the room just kept on turning, and the silence got too loud. Every promise that it whispered just pulled you further down. You said just one more try, but you've said that before. And every time you lose it all, you still come back for more. Stay steady, don't let it take you under. Don't let the noise pull you back again. Stay steady, breathe through the thunder. This is where the healing begins. You thought the wind was waiting somewhere in that flashing glow, but the only thing it ever gave you was a place to let you go. Now your hands are finally shaking from the weight you used to hold, and the truth is slowly breaking through the stories you were told. Stay steady, don't let it take you under. Don't let the noise pull you back again. Stay steady, breathe through the thunder. This is where the healing begins. You don't need another answer. You don't need another spin. You just need the strength to stay here and not go back again. And not go back again. Thought the wind was waiting somewhere underneath those lights. You thought you had to get it back to make your wrongs come right. But the biggest win was walking out. The biggest win was breathing. The biggest win was looking at your life and finally believing what I lost. I am worth more than what I owe. I am worth more than any promise that casino ever sold. So let the numbers wait, let the damage wait, let tomorrow come in time. Because the moment you chose not to go back, you chose your life. The moment you chose your life.